Hey, what's up guys? My name is Nick, Paradise Jones, and I want to welcome you guys back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do an undercut on my boy Matt. I'm also going to be trimming up his mustache too as well. And also, my boy Chris just bought a new bike, so I'm about to go meet up with him downtown, go check out his new bike, and probably catch a couple clips of him doing some wheelies and stuff. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Chilling. What's up? What's up? All right, it's my boy Chris's bike. Got him a monster quad, upgraded from the Big Ripper. I see this thing's a beast. This thing is nasty. I'm gonna show you his tire and I'm gonna show you my tire. That's what I'm rolling on right there, guys. I'll get the disc brake. Oh, this is nasty. Alright, cool. Let's get some shots of you doing some wheelies. Got the GT Performer too. Let's not show him the article.
We just rolling. No wheelies yet.
Yeah. Alright, everybody get some shots of him doing some wheelies. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and keep on riding. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial. Don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and like it. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, we're gonna be doing an undercut on my boy Matt. Pretty easy, simple cut. I think I knocked this out in probably about 20-25 minutes. I think we were talking so it went a bit longer, but the haircut took me about 25 minutes, real easy cut. So I'm gonna start off with my BGRVs and start to bald them out. Starting that line right below his temple. This is gonna be about a mid fade. You want to make sure you get through this process as fast as possible. I know as a new barber, this is something that always hung me up. I think this took majority of my time just balding someone out. So you want to make sure you can get through this as fast as possible and as smooth as possible. Using my T outliners to clean up any hair that I may have left behind. Alright, we're going to be fading up today, so we're going to start with my oyster topazes and we're going to set our initial guideline. Now you want to make sure this is about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. You want to make sure this is as clean as possible. The cleaner that your guidelines are, the cleaner that your fade comes out. We have the clipper set to halfway, and I'm going to continue to mess with the lever until I buff that line out. Now you want to make sure you don't go above the line out. You want to stay right below where you set that guideline. Now I'm being mindful to continuously brush the hair in the direction that I want it to lay down. Now I have my number 1 guard with the lever open, and I'm setting another guideline. Now with my 1/2 guard all the way open, I'm gonna start to buff out that guideline. Now mind you, this may not get out the guideline initially, so you're gonna have to play with that lever a little bit until that line starts to come out. Now I have my clipper with no guard, just going back and making sure to clean up any lines that were left over from the initial guideline. And by the way, I'm using the Wald 1919s, pretty solid clipper. I think I gave them away to one of my younger clients a couple months ago, but definitely a solid clipper, really enjoyed them. My 1.5 guard, this is the last guard that I'm gonna be using for the fade. I'm not really trying to set a guideline, I'm just trying to take down some of this bulk, and then I'm gonna fade down, going back through my system to clean up any imperfections and do a little bit of detail work. Now with my 1 guard, lever open, I'm going back down my system, just trying to clean up any imperfections. I call this portion the detail portion. You wanna get this fade as blurry as possible. Alright, now just cleaning them up a little bit. Now guys, check out this fade. Butter. Now we're gonna do the same steps on the other side, and I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys go through the steps and just enjoy the video. Down in the comment section, let me know if you like that little bike vlog that I did at the beginning of the video. Me and the buddies go riding all the time, so I just thought it would be cool to take my camera along. So if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing more in, let me know down in the comment section. Alright guys, now it's time for the edge up. I'm going to start with the 1.5 to take down his hairline a little bit. And then using my T outliners, I'm going to start in the middle of his forehead and then work my way out, making sure everything is even and symmetrical. That edge up's looking crispy already. These T outliners, I've probably had these things since I started barbering. A guy named Mr. Kim, he was a supply guy, he used to come around and set blades for us. I don't know what he did to these clippers, but he set these things so perfect. These are my favorite clippers. I use them to bald people out, but I also can put a crispy line on somebody if I need to. I know that I probably said that other clippers were my favorite, but these things right here, these are my babies. I love these things. Now onto the mustache. I'm gonna start by cleaning up the hair on the bottom of his lip, then I'm gonna flip the clippers over and then clean up the hair that's on top. Me and my client Matt, we were talking about it. This is his first year in college and he just started growing out his mustache and his chin hair. And we were just laughing about how his mom hates it, you know, she wants a baby face. So I just thought that was pretty funny. Doing the same thing on the other side. Adding my finishing touches with the razor, making sure to hold it at a 45-degree angle. Smooth, clean strokes, not trying to cut nobody over here. Alright guys, that's the cut. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and like this video and subscribe and be on the lookout for more weekly content. Until next time.